Hey everybody, this is Joe and welcome to Giga Texas. One of the questions that I get often is, how do I get to Giga Texas and where can I stop so I can see the factory? This is a very good question. So we're going to go over that now. Giga Texas is located about 10 or 15 miles to the east of Austin in Del Valle, Texas. It's also about 5 miles to the northeast of the Austin-Bergstrom International Airport. It's at the intersection of State Highway 130 and Harold Green Road. And the only way to get here is to be traveling north on State Highway 130, take the Harold Green Road exit, and you'll go through this toll booth, and I'll have a photo here so you can take a look at it. And then you'll come to this area here, which is right next to the battery cell structure, as you can see. And this is really the only location for you to come and stop and see the factory. If you are traveling south on State Highway 130, you cannot get here taking the Harold Green exit. That's because Harold Green comes to a one-way frontage road, and you would have to go the opposite direction to get to this location. You cannot. So the only way is to be heading north on State Highway 130 from Highway 71. It's about 2 miles, so you can see that exit. And also, you cannot go east on Harold Green into the factory because security will stop you and turn you around. So this here is really the only location. So let me give you an idea of what it would be like if you were here and what you would see. So as you can see behind me, there's the toll booth that is at the Harold Green Road exit. And this area here is kind of a pullout. And this is a busy road. A lot of trucks are coming through, but this is a pretty safe area. And what you would see if you were here is you look down the west side of the factory, and of course you can see the battery cell structure here. And then continuing around to the north, you can see the north parking lot area and the north end of the building and some other parts of that. So this is really the only place that you can get to and safely stop and see Giga Texas. But there's a lot to see. It's a great place, a lot of activity and excitement because production is getting pretty close. So I hope that you found this review helpful, and some of the maps and the images helpful as well. And come on down to Texas. There's a lot of stuff to see. Giga Texas is outstanding, and we'd love to have you.